once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, we're doing a shrimp or a prawn fried rice. A Chinese, Asian styled one. It's got some beautiful, beautiful ingredients in there. It's very simple. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at the very few ingredients we're going to be using for this. So here I've got some shrimps or prawns. These are frozen, just defrosted them out there. We've got a little bit of chopped onion, some green onion or spring onion, some additional vegetables. I'm using some sugar snaps and some green beans. Try some broccoli, frozen peas, anything you like or nothing. Garlic and ginger, roughly chopped. Soy sauce. I'm using a dark one, you could use a light if you want. And there's a really small amount there of fish sauce. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil, and of course we're going to be using some rice. And regarding your rice, always use a cold rice. Never warm or hot, never comes out well. Let's get over to the cooker. Okay, so you're going to need a pan or a wok of some kind, and in here I've got some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil, but you could be using any different type of oil you want. Maybe a sesame seed oil or something like that will be good. Now, everything we do is going to be on a high heat. We're going to start off by putting in our garlic and our ginger. And as you can see, nice and chunky. You can, make it smaller if you wanted, but I like it like that. Then what we want to do is we just want to infuse that oil with this. So let's just throw it around for a few seconds, and it'll just do its thing in there. That's looking good. Now to that we're going to add some onion. Again, I've cut this nice and small for this one. And while I'm here, I'm going to add some black pepper. But I'm not adding any salt because we're going to put fish sauce in this, which is very salty, as is soy sauce. So no need for additional regular salt. Now I'm going to just add in my vegetables. And like I say, this is completely optional. You don't have to even do this. But yeah, if you're going to, like I say, I've got some sugar snaps and some green beans. But you could think about maybe some fresh mushrooms, celery, baby corn or something like that. Now we're going to add our prawns or our shrimps. And we're now going to stir fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes on a nice high heat. This is coming on really nicely. What we're going to do now is add a little splash of our soy and a really small amount of the fish sauce. And again, we're going to cook this for about another 2 minutes. What we want to do is burn the liquid off. So I want those flavours in there, but I don't want it to be wet. And there you go. Wonderful, wonderful flavours right there. Now it's time to add our rice. And like I say, we need cold rice. And lots of people will actually tell you to use old rice. Now, you may have heard me say this before on several other fried rice videos. This is fried rice. We actually need to cook and fry the rice properly. Lots of people give it a little mix like this and sort of consider that to be done. Absolutely not. Even if we get a little browning or blackening on the rice, for me that's fantastic. So we're going to cook this rice on this high heat for about 5 or 6 minutes. Okay, so you've got that lovely sound. Can you hear that? That's your rice cooking there. And as you can see, you've got a bit of sort of brownness where the rice was caught on the pan. And there's a good example there if I can grab hold of it. Just like that. That's kind of where I like it. Okay, off goes the heat. If you wanted, you could be dropping in some garlic, or roasted garlic, or fried garlic into this. Some cayenne pepper, if you fancy it a little bit spicy, or some chili flakes. For me, just like this is wonderful. I am just going to now drop in a nice big handful of green onions or scallions. Give that a mix. And that's done. I'll see you at the table. And there you go. Steaming hot. Really delicious. I like this style where it's kind of nice and dry. If you wanted, like I say, play around with it with some chili and stuff like that. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.